Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty with 2 players. First, ensure your second controller is connected to your console. Once the game is running, navigate to the main menu. From there, you will choose either the multiplayer or zombies option. Look for the prompt, typically at the bottom of the screen, to add a second player by pressing a specific button, often X on PlayStation or on Xbox. This simple step gets you ready for shared fun. After adding the second player, they will need to log in using their own profile or a guest account. Once logged in, both players will be visible on the split-screen interface. You can then jointly select your preferred game mode, such as Team Deathmatch in multiplayer or a specific zombies map. Confirm your choices, and the game will load, allowing you and your friend to jump into the action side by side. It's a straightforward process. Call of Duty offers fantastic modes for 2 players. Multiplayer allows you to compete against others in split-screen, experiencing fast-paced action across diverse maps. Alternatively, Zombies mode provides a thrilling cooperative experience where you and your friend team up to survive endless waves of the undead. Both modes offer unique challenges and require teamwork. Whether you prefer competitive combat or cooperative survival, there are plenty of options to enjoy together for hours of entertainment. To enhance your 2-player experience, consider optimizing your display settings for better visibility on a split screen. Clear communication with your teammate is crucial, especially in intense moments, to coordinate attacks or revive each other. Don't hesitate to experiment with various weapon loadouts and strategies to find what works best for your duo. Most importantly, remember to have fun and enjoy the shared thrill of playing Call of Duty with a friend. It's a great way to bond over gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.